Take a look at this very good condition, rarely used, 3-year-old Quizno's Conveyor toaster oven. When I say Quizno's, it's actually made by Holman, but Holman makes a specific line of these toaster ovens. I'm going to come around here. You can see that's the brand name is Holman. That's all the particulars about that. I'll kind of freeze on that for a second so that you can get a good look. But then up here you see Quizno's. It's past the Quizno's certification. It's a toaster certified for use by Quizno's. So Quizno's has these made to code specifically for their restaurants. You can see everything's working inside there. Toasty, red hot heater elements. There is a vent on the back that allows you can pass through, put things in from the side. Or of course the design is to put things in from the back. Back here, you can see that belt, the conveyor. It's not a belt, it's a chain. Chain conveyor is turning. There also is a hood that comes with this that we didn't have to use in this facility because we weren't running this often enough. But if you're in a sandwich shop and you're going to be running this thing all day, the fire marshal will probably require you to install that hood. You can see it's big. This thing is ready to work. It's commercial grade. This is not something you put in people's houses. Look under here, the fans. I don't know if you can see that in the video, but those fans are spinning. Everything works perfectly on this machine. And to demonstrate, let me bring in my lovely assistant. And she's going to place one bun, the two sides of a bun, open face. We'll let that roll. Actually, I probably have the setting set too low, so those are going to come out extra super toasty. Let's try speeding it up a little bit. I'm going to crank this up and we'll see. So now the conveyor belt is turning considerably faster. I don't know if you can see that. The heat stays the same always. What this adjuster does is turn up the speed of the conveyor. So you just turn it on. It's always the same heat. I don't know what the heat setting actually is, but that knob, this knob turns up the speed of the conveyor, does not turn up the heat. So here we go. Here come our hamburger bun top and bottom. And actually I probably turned it up too fast because they're they're very lightly toasted, but they are toasted. Anyway, demonstration that it works. The heater elements are both on the top and the bottom. I don't know if I can get my camera in there to show you top and bottom. One more thing to keep in mind is this uses a bunch of power. There was not a 220, it's actually 208 volt plug-in in the floor here. See, we got a plug-in under the cooler here, but that's 110 volt. We need 208 volts, so the maintenance guys of this building ran a cord up into the ceiling, and we'll have it disconnected for you, of course, when you come by to pick it up. But keep in mind, you can't, an oven this big and this powerful, you can't just plug into the wall to a regular outlet that you plug your clock radio into. What else can I tell you? Everything works perfectly. It's 3 years old and has had the women who had this place thought they were going to get into doing hoagies and miniature pizzas, and most of the time it's just sat here turned off, rarely ever used, and includes the hood. The hood alone probably is $300-400, and this new, usually I think it's the best price I've seen is around $1,300 new. There you go. This could be your toaster oven. As soon as now here it comes. We put them back in, and now they're coming out again. You can see nice and browned on top. Yum! Don't you want to put a hamburger and a slice of cheese on top of that and have yourself some lunch? That's it. Call Tropic Hut, and it's on display here at Tropic Hut. So we're in the Washoe County Administration Complex in the cafeteria in C building, and we'll leave it hooked up. It's going to stay connected up there until it sells. So come on by. You can. We'll give you a demonstration. Make sure it's what you want. If you'd like to purchase this and take it to your restaurant facility, or I started to say to your kitchen, but your house, your place, whatever.